SonicWall's focus has always been security. We've been around over 30 years. We have over 500,000 customers in 215 countries. And the way that we differentiate from a lot of our competitors is we're able to provide that top-of-class security while maintaining a lower total cost of ownership. I'm a channel account manager at SonicWall, and my job day to day is to be the point person for our partners.
As an MSP, what RedZone does is work with both our clients and clients that have, let's say, PC-oriented MSPs so that we can add a layer of security onto what they're running. Big thing that we look at in terms of outfitting a client is what do they have, what are they good at, and what are their environmental problems. Every environment's a little bit different.
Independent Can Company is a family-owned manufacturing business. We manufacture specialty tins. I'm the director of enterprise business systems. I'm responsible for all of the IT infrastructure. We have various levels of cybersecurity concerns. We have PLCs on the lines, operational technology, running the manufacturing lines that we're trying to protect. My partnership with RedZone is exactly that. It's a partnership. I see them as an extension of our cybersecurity team.
A lot of times security needs some subject matter expertise. Typically, we find that companies can't afford to have all of the different little pieces of subject matter expertise they need. So our MSP provides that.
The great thing about RedZone, we've been working with them for quite some time now. Their ability to lean in, look at, hey, how can we best partner? What are the technology offerings that SonicWall has, both on the cybersecurity and on the networking side?
Our Gen 7 firewalls provide a lot of value to customers. At the end of the day, we understand what an investment it is to strengthen your cybersecurity posture.
We found that if a customer has an issue, usually SonicWall had a tool, and that tool would integrate with the other tools. The more integration we can have that actually works, the better off the security can be because it's simpler, and simpler security is always better.
One of the things that sets SonicWall apart in the way that we handle our partner relationships is our award-winning SecureFirst Partner Portal and Partner Program. And through that, we've given them a nice single place to go to where they can get training on any of our solutions. They can get certified. They can learn about all the different components that SonicWall has to offer. So I came from a partner myself before joining the SonicWall team. I know from experience, sometimes it's difficult to navigate all those different components.
Working with Bradley's great. Whenever we need help, he's always there to escalate it.
I'm really inspired by the SecureFirst program. I think it's got a lot of opportunity for our partners to grow their businesses, to become more profitable. We're 100% to the channel, so the ability to empower our partners to be able to protect their end customers is just, you feel it, it's real.
Everything we do is done with our partner in mind, from the way that we build out the program, from the way that we interact with our partners, to end users. Even if you knew a little bit about SonicWall of yesterday, there's a great time to have a conversation and learn about where we're at now and where we're going.
We're going to be focusing more and more on better overall layered security. We anticipate SonicWall's partnership being able to really propel us towards that.